Hello kids, welcome to Learn with Maktoum. Today we are going to begin with mathematics. There are 19 lessons in your syllabus. We will start with lesson number 1, spatial understanding. What it is? Spatial understanding. We will learn about different positions. Okay, we have like top, bottom, on, under, inside, outside, above, below, near, far, before, after. So we are going to study all these positions. We will start with top and bottom. Okay, here Anant is painting at the top of the building. So there is a building. So a person called Anant, he is painting at the top of the building. He is painting here, no? In this region. So this is what? It is the top of the building. If he is painting here, then we will be saying bottom of the building. Clear with this, kids? Top, bottom. Same here. A bird is sitting on the top of the tree. Okay, it is sitting on the top of the tree. Here a monkey is sitting at the top of the pillar. It is a top. This is bottom. Here this is a pot. Okay, fire is touching the bottom of the pot. This is bottom. This is top. Okay, milk is at the bottom of the glass. This is a glass, so milk is at the bottom. Okay, here this is a pot. Hole is at the bottom of the pot. Hole is at the bottom of the pot. Means, kids, if you consider anything, this will be top and this will be bottom. Okay, flower is at the top, pot is at the bottom. Okay, here this is the plant. Yes, flower is at the top, pot is at the bottom. Clear, kids? Okay, kids, here is the question. Tick the pot at the bottom. So here, which pot is at the bottom? This is at the bottom. Okay, here. Tick the sack at the top. So these are sacks. Among these, which is at the top? This is at the top. Okay. Tick the desk at the bottom. So among these desks, which is at the bottom? This is at the bottom. Okay. Color the apple at the top. So among these apples, which is on top? This one you have to color. Okay. So this is about top and bottom. Clear with this, kids? Okay, moving on to on, under. Okay, here television is on the table. So there is a table. On that there is a TV. So TV is on the table. Mat is on the floor. So So this is the floor. This is the mat. Mat is on the floor. Okay. Yes. Photograph is on the wall. There's the photograph. It is on the wall. Okay. Dog is under the table. So there's a dog. It is under the table. Yes. In the last example, TV was on the table. Dog is under the table. Clear? Okay. Cat is under the cage. This is the cage. Cat is under the cage. River is flowing under the bridge. So there is a river. It is flowing under the bridge. Okay. Tick the vase on the table. So there are 3 vases. Among which vase is on the table? This is on the table. Tick the boy sitting on the bench. So among these 2 boys, who is sitting on the bench? He is sitting on the bench. Color the lamps under the staircase. So this is a staircase. You have to color the lamps which are under the staircase. So which are those? These are the lamps under the staircase. Okay. Tick the cat under the cot. Which cat is under the cot? This one. Clear with this? So this is about on, under. Moving on to the next one. Inside, outside. Fruits are inside the basket. Leaves are outside the basket. So it is a basket. Inside the baskets, fruits are there. Outside the basket, leaves are there. Okay. Inside, outside. Mother is inside the house. Father is outside the house. Mother is sitting inside. Father is outside. Chickens are inside the basket. So chickens are inside the basket. You can see. Tick the dog inside the kennel. So which one is inside? This one is inside the kennel. Okay. Tick the flower pot inside the house. So there are 3 flower pots. Which is inside? This one is inside the house. Tick the fruits inside the basket. Which fruits are inside the basket? These are inside the basket. Tick the children outside the cart. So these are the children who are outside the cart. This is about inside and outside. Next one. Above, below. Eyes are below the eyebrows. Mouth is below the nose. Nose is above the mouth. Eyebrows are above the eyes. So here eyes are below the eyebrows. Mouth is below nose. Yes. Ulta. Ulta we can say reverse. Nose is above mouth. Eyebrows are above eyes. Yes. Here. Lamp is above the table. Table is below the lamp. Here you can see table is below the lamp. Lamp is above the table. A circus artist is holding the rod above his head. So he is a circle artist. He is holding a rod above his head. A girl is watching from below. So a girl is watching from below. Yes. Tick the bird flying above the tree. So this is a tree. Which bird is flying above this tree? This one. Color the ball above the head of the joker. Okay, this is the head of joker. Which ball is above the head of the joker? This one you have to color. Tick the bird flying below the kite. So this is the kite. Which bird is flying below the kite? This one. Tick the butterfly below the flower. This is the flower. Which butterfly is below? This one. Clear with that? Okay, moving on to the next one. Near, far. Mother is near the child. So mother is near to child. Moon is far away from the child. So moon is far away from the child. Ravi is standing near the swing. So this is the swing. Ravi is standing near to it. Yes. Mary is standing far from the swing. So Mary is standing far from the swing. Bird is near the tree. This bird is near to tree. Sheep is far from the tree. Sheep is far from the tree, but sheep is near to the pond. Bird is far from the pond. Yes? Okay. Color the deer near the pond. So there are two deers. Yes? Which is nearer to pond? This one you have to color this. Color the butterfly far from the flower. This is the flower. Which butterfly is far from the flower? This one. Color it. A boy is playing with two cars. Color the car near him green and the car far from him blue. So near one is what? This one. Color green. Far one with the blue. Okay. I hope I'm clear with this. Next one. Before, after. Candle before lighting. This is the candle before lighting. After lighting, it will be like this. Flower pot before lighting will be like this. Flower pot after lighting, this. Wash the mango before eating. Before eating, you should wash. Eat the mango after washing. Tick the activity that comes before. This one comes before. Tick the activity that comes after. After dinner, you are going to eat. Okay. So this completes about the spatial understanding. I hope I'm clear with this. So you should remember these words: top, bottom, on, under, inside, outside, above, below, near, far, before, after. So this completes the first chapter, spatial understanding. In the next video, we will start with solids around us. Okay, kids? So this is all about this video. We will continue in next video. Thank you for watching.